Welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. Today we're going to be working on our 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this is kind of a problem I've been dealing with since we bought this thing. These lift shocks here for the hood. This doesn't have the springs in it like our other Jeep has. It actually has these struts to hold the hood up. And so what I did is I went online and I looked and I found this kit of these. So it comes with six struts, six gas struts. Two of them are for the hood, two of them are for the rear glass, and two of them are for the lift gate. And I definitely know I need the hood and the lift gate. I don't even really know about the glass, but I've got them either way, so I'll probably go ahead and replace them. So yeah, so let's get in here. I'm going to show you how easy these are to change out and how frustrating they are. The previous owner, he had used this stick for a long time, kept it underneath the hood, real safe, and so I decided, the stick is great, but it's just not what I wanted to do. I want to be able to just lift the hood up without having any auxiliary items to hold it up in case I hit it with my arm and the hood falls and hits me in the back of the head. So I really don't like that, and I really don't like these struts, but that's what we have to deal with on these vehicles. So there we are. So let's get in here and get one of these off, or both of them out, and I'll show you how to do it. So here's the old strut. This is the driver's side, but they'd be both the same. So remember, be sure to support your hood with a prop because it doesn't look very heavy, and these things are actually doing a little something, but you do not want to have the hood just fall on you when you go to take this thing out of here. So all you have to do is just kind of pry this back just a little bit, um, and then it should slide right off of that post like that. So I just pried up on it and then it popped right off. We're going to do the same thing down here on this lower part. So we're just going to take our screwdriver into that little slot there, pry out on it, and I'm just kind of wiggling and jiggling and pulling at the same time. This one happens to have a cable tie around it holding this wire for the light. So I'm just going to slide it out of there and get that all ready to go. So you can see I can't really push it in by hand. I mean, it's working, it's just not working enough. So next up, we're just going to slide the new one. I've got the new one here. Slide that down into the cable tie there and get it in position, and it should just snap onto the stud that's in there. Now the kit comes with these new studs if you wanted to replace yours if something was wrong with them, but I don't see any need in doing that. And you can see it just pushes right on there. So let's do this one up here too. So you can see it's just gonna snap right on there, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll give them a shot. So over here on the driver's or passenger side, rather, I've still got the stick supporting the hood. So you just remember, you just don't want to go crazy with that. Same thing. We're just gonna pull it off of there like that, and then get in here and open that up, and then pop that right off. We've got our new one here, and just like the other one, we're going to put this small end, this part down, make sure it's threaded on there all the way, and that just again just snaps right into there, and then we'll rotate the body around to match up with the stud on this side. The same thing, we'll just snap it on there. It looks like my support stick fell down, but it looks like the shocks are actually holding it up now because I had to kind of push up on it a little bit when I snapped that in there. So let's see if we can test this thing out. All right, I've got the new shocks installed, or the struts installed, and there we go. Wow, yeah, that works great. Yeah, that's great. Oh man, that is so nice. Now it will actually hold itself up without having to have a stick in there. Well, there you go. Super easy, super fast, and worth every penny. Now, if these fail, the price of the kit is very, very affordable. So what I'll do is down below in the description, be sure to check that out. That's where I'll have the links. I'll have some links to these products, the replacement pack, and you can go from there and pick up what you need. Uh, yeah, so very nice. And again, these are very affordable. And I don't know why anybody has to fight with the sticks and the things I've seen people doing, and it just does, it takes 2 seconds. You saw how long it took. So either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And if you like this kind of stuff and you want to see more of it, we've got automotive repair videos and farm related activities, tractor repair, heavy equipment repair on this channel. So be sure to subscribe, and that'll really help this thing take off, and I'll be able to provide you guys with more very, very valuable information like this, and just in general, just things that we do around the farm here to keep things going, and to fix them ourselves. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.